5 CR 0000166 State versus Robert Barnett. Could I have parties announced?
Andrew Harrison, State.
And are you Mr. Barnett?
Yes, ma'am.
And for the defense?
Dwight Chumley, Your Honor.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Are there any applications on this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Barnett, did you review the document entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Judge.
Mr. Barnett, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
You're charged with credit card or debit card abuse as a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so off the record.
Correct it.
State moves to amend the indictment to change the offense date from April 17th to April 15th.
All right. Any objection?
No.
All right. Do you understand that's a substantive change to the indictment?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any objections to the state proceeding on or about April 15th, 2023?
No, ma'am.
All right. And all right, the range of punishment for this offense is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, court doesn't have to follow that plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow that plea, gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
As previously stated, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you are giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes,
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do believe that, yes.
Mr. Barnett, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, the state is recommending deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Ma'am.
Defense?
Yes.
State?
Yes, Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both
Yes,
places?
ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years and there be no contact with the complainant. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Yes.
State any evidence.
Exhibit 1 and attachments.
No objections, Your Honor.
All right. And with regards to restitution, is there any restitution that is owed to the complainant?
I do not believe so because the transaction.
All right, thank you. You may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
No.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. After reviewing the same, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, ma'am. Oh, I just.
Just a second. Excuse me. You need to find a seat. Yes.
I have represented him now for about a month. He's been very cooperative. He is a resident of Victoria, Texas now. And we would like to see if he could do his probation there, Your Honor.
And what county is that?
Let's see how happy.
I think it's Victoria
I
County.
think Victoria took it.
Oh, see, y'all,
I-
now
we don't
y'all are
know.
just saying, that sounds right.
Oof. No. I should know that. Sorry, Judge. And I would like to add, Your Honor, he's very remorseful.
Oh, it's Victoria County.
Yeah, I thought it
All
was. And he's a grown man. He's taking responsibility for it. It was actually, it wasn't a stranger's. It was a girl he had a relationship with, and he did the wrong thing. And he's very, very sincerely apologetic about it.
She doesn't act like she had a relationship with him. She says she suspects that Heather Watts was involved in this. Who is Heather Watts?
An ex. I have her whole name on my neck.
Well, that's you doing silly things. I told people, do not be putting names or your wife, your husband's on your body. If you're going to put somebody's name on your body, the safest bet is your mom's name and your children's name. Everybody else, that's on you for doing silly things. And you have to explain it to your next relationship. Well, why is her name on there and mine is not? I always said, one, I would not want anybody tattooing my name on their body, right? Especially if they're going to be committing offenses. But then if you're going to tattoo your name, it needs to be in big bold letters. I tell you what, Nick Cannon, I bet you he regrets putting Mariah on his back. Now he has this whole new back tattoo to try to take over her name out there. But I would make mine's impossible to take over if you're going to put middle name and everything.
I don't think you're going to have tattoo wars in Victoria County.
All right. Do you have any children?
This month.
How many?
7.
7. What are their ages?
19, 18, 15, 15, 13, 8 and 7.
And the 15 and 15, are they twins?
Ma'am.
So that means that they have different
Yes.
mothers. Shame on you. All right. 3 years deferred adjudication, transfer to Victoria, Texas, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. If they do field visits 1 time per month until further notice. There's to be no contact with the complainant. First name Brettney, last name Perez. And there's to be no contact with Heather Watts unless she's going to donate to the removal of that tattoo. Probation, is there anything else? Okay. Oh, I'm so sorry. There's going to be 200 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to require parenting classes. Once you completed that, 100 hours will be deemed satisfied. And then the remaining 100 hours will be deemed satisfied once you complete a theft course. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because it's a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing, in this court, to be successful on probation, communication is key. If for any reason you have a question about something and you feel as though probation is not addressing it, you can always come back to the court.